Well, last week, traders, we saw historic moves, unprecedented moves across asset class, but certainly permutated in some aggressive repricing coming through in rate expectations and also in the front end of the bond curve as well. A lot of what we're seeing is really permutated from US banks, and that's going to be front and center as we go through. We're watching First Republic, we're watching regional banks, the KRE ETF. There's been reports in the Wall Street Journal over the weekend that 186 other regional banks, smaller banks, may be seeing some of the same pressures that we saw from Silicon Valley. 110 of these banks are reportedly going to the FDIC and asking for a 2-year blanket guarantee on deposits playing through. Whether they get them is obviously another situation. But watching US banks very, very closely indeed. We're watching European banks. We've seen UBS making a play for Credit Suisse, 3 billion Swiss francs. And will some of that contagion risk that's really been permutating across the European banking space come out of the market? We're watching credit default swaps. And of course, we're watching those European equity markets very, very closely indeed. Now, of course, we've got the Fed meeting playing through this week. Will they raise by 25 basis points or will they go on pause? We're going to be watching that tone of the statement from Jerome Powell. Will he show more or greater concern playing through? And we'll be watching those dot plot projections. Will they bring those dots closer to the market as well? Other than that, we've got the Bank of England meeting. We've got the UK CPI numbers. We've got PMI numbers popping up all over the shop. It's going to be another big week. Will we see unprecedented moves once again? Those banks very much in focus. Leave a comment below on how you're trading the market and where you see the balance of risks.